Hey guys, one last thing before we jump in. I've gotten some really great, really helpful feedback about this course over the past few months, but one theme that's popped up over and over is that you guys want more hands-on practice exercises. So I hear you loud and clear. What I've done is add 2 new files for download right here in the course resources called Excel Homework Exercises and Excel Homework Exercises Answers. Now looking at this workbook, you'll see a bunch of different tabs that correspond with the chapters in the course. So we've got Formulas 101, Logical Operators, Stats Functions, Lookup Functions, Index Match, and on each of these tabs, you'll see a box where I've included instructions. And this is where you're going to get a chance to test your skills and test your comprehension of the concepts that I cover in the course using demos and data sets that are different from the ones that I use in my lectures. So continuing on, we've got some offset and count A examples, text functions, date and time, formula formatting, and then finish off with some array functions, including a really tricky bonus array function tab. For those looking to dive a little bit deeper, here's a great challenge for you. Now, obviously, the answers version is the same workbook, same tabs, same structure. It just has the answers built in so that you can check your work. So at the end of each chapter, you'll see a homework lecture where I'll walk through each particular tab and give you a chance to practice on your own. So again, thank you guys for the feedback. Please continue to leave feedback for better or for worse. If you need anything, post to the discussion board, message me directly. I'd be happy to help you guys out. So without further ado, let's dive in.